Hello and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing a slime review. So I got this Elmer's goo, sorry. This is a new one. It's called Retro Glam. It's scented, safe, and non-toxic. I actually found this at Dollar Tree, which makes me a little bit scared. And it was for $1. But I'm also very excited because I've actually never used any store-bought slime except for one, but it was for 75 cents because it was dried out. And I got it because I really like the container. But that was the only time I've ever used it. So, yes, I'll see what I think of it. Okay, so it came in this really nice packaging. And it has this side that has add-ins. Signature orange lid, and proof. I've never opened this one, and I will tell you what I think of it. First thoughts, the scent. It's very strong. It's not very good. What does it say the scent is? The best way I can explain it is it smells like lipstick, some sort of fake banana scent, and medicine. Oh, okay, it's not sticky. The container's nice. So far, not so bad. It's very thick, very glossy. Oh, I really wish it didn't have the scent because it does not smell good and it's really strong. Okay, let's see here. Very nice pokes. Okay, I would recommend playing with it before you add in the add-ins. I will say this much, it's a very holdable slime, but when you're trying to stretch it, if you stretch it too fast, it just starts ripping. So like you gotta stretch it very slowly. It's a very stiff, smelly slime. Okay, it came with little foam beads. Now, sorry about my camera, it's not focusing. Heads up, by the way, my channel is not going to become a slime channel. I just found this and I thought it would be fun to do. So, yes. Now, I'm just going to mix in the foam beads. Try not to get them everywhere like what I'm doing. Okay. That looks really cool. Oh, on camera it looks kind of purple, but it's hot pink in person, like hot pink. It's insane. Actually, this seems to be a pretty good slime. And so far, I'm liking it. I would like if it was a bit stretchier. And maybe without the scent, because this scent is awful in my opinion. So that's something. So if you have a very sensitive nose, and you're sensitive to scents, I would not recommend this because it's very strong and very bad, in my opinion. I'll give it this much. It's a very inflatable slime. Okay, now that it's very inflated, I don't know how I'm supposed to fit it back inside the tub. And overall, I have lost 3 foam beads in total. I'm used to storing my slimes inside Ziploc bags, so I'm used to not have to dealing with containers. Okay, I'm going to put in a little at a time, and hopefully that will be able to actually get it in. Be careful about it breaking after you add in the beads, because I noticed that whenever it breaks, it spills a bunch of beads. So you have been warned. And after I warmed it up, it's actually becoming a really nice slime besides the scent. Is this how you do it? Because I don't know. Somebody in the comments, please tell me, how am I supposed to fit this slime back in there? Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I would like some advice on how I'm supposed to put this back inside the tub. And overall, I would actually really recommend this slime. I hear a lot of hate on Elmer's slime, and I don't know if I just got a really good batch, but I expected it to be total trash, seeing as it was main brand at Dollar Tree. So I'm very pleased with this slime, and if I see it again at Dollar Tree, I'll probably pick up some more. So yes. Besides the scent, this was a really good slime, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!